Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here and welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put a image into text using the clipping mask. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously have text and an image. So the image, I'm going to just have a random image I have from some graphic I used a while back. I'm going to use, so I'm going to make sure to put it over top of the text. Make sure it covers the entirety of the text or just the portion that you want covered. So if I only want half of this covered, just the lower part, you're going to want to right click on the image and then click create clipping mask, and then you'll have an effect similar to this, depending on like what photo you're using. And then for the full text, you just make it cover the entirety of the text and you'll have this effect right here. And that is basically how you do a clipping mask with an image and text in Adobe Photoshop. Leave a like for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.